Dave Baldwin with Bottom Line Internet Business Consultants, and today I'm going to give you a brief overview of Google Analytics. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, I don't know about Google Analytics because my web developer just handles that, and if that's you, I would strongly suggest that you think differently about it. Your Google Analytics, as far as I'm concerned, is just like your close of business cash register sales report. You would want to know how much money came in and went out of the register at the end of each day, and you wouldn't want to just hand that over to somebody else. And your Google Analytics is really the same way. You want to know what's going on your website to be able to make informed decisions as the business owner. So let's get ahead into it. If you have more than one account, which some businesses do, that's going to show on the first screen. You're going to select an account. When you select an account, this screen is going to show here with some introductory stats. We're going to go ahead past this. You're going to click the button that says View Report. When you click View Report, the screen that comes up here is the dashboard. This graph that you see here by default represents your traffic numbers over the past 30 days. You can click on this drop down up here if you want to change the date, and we're not going to do that right now. What you can see down here, there's 6 metrics that Google displays: number of visits, number of page views, pages per visit, the bounce rate, and the bounce rate represents the number of people who just came, took one look, and clicked the back button and left. Average time on site is pretty much what it sounds like. How long does the average visitor spend on your site in terms of amount of time? Percent new visits, how much new traffic are you driving to your site versus what was already coming to it. And up here, just the distinction between visits and page views, I should quickly make that. A visit represents one person on one computer coming to your site. So if I came and visited your site and then I went to, let's say I took my computer out to a coffee shop and then I visited again, that would be 2 visits. But if I was sitting here in one sitting and I clicked on 3 different pages, that would be counted as 3 page views, but it would only be counted as 1 visit. So those are just some metrics. These are useful if you're running an ad campaign, if you're using Google AdWords, or if you're running Facebook ads or doing search engine optimization, or running print ads, or anything where you're spending money to drive traffic to your site. You want to see not only how many people are coming to your site, but how long are they staying, how many pages are they visiting, and that sort of thing. Now you can drill down a lot deeper. This is, like I said, just a very brief overview, and I'll probably put together some other videos showing you some of the different areas of analytics. But for right now, I would strongly recommend that if you haven't been using your Google Analytics and haven't been looking at it, that you make a habit at least once a week at the very minimum, and if not, once a day or a couple of times a week, just to start watching these numbers, seeing what happens with these numbers as certain things begin to happen. And like I said, if you're spending money to advertise or drive traffic to your site, it's double as important. So that's it for right now, and I will see you next time.